How to log out of Among Us account. If you're looking to log out of your Among Us account, first you'd want to go ahead and open up your game. And once you land on the game page, you will see on the left side of the screen you'll have different options like Play, Inventory, Shop, News, My Account, and Settings. You can tap on My Account, and from here you can see your account settings and your account info as well. Here you can tap on Manage Account. And as you can see, for that, you will need to have to visit this URL to manage your account merging, or if you're having any other issues. So there is no direct way to log out. Even if you tap on the settings menu, here as you can see, if you go to general, you only have game controls and sound, then you have graphics, and then you have data. Here you can delete your data, but what you can do is click on manage data collection, and here it will directly delete your entire account. But if you don't want that, if you just want to log out, then the best way is to go ahead and clear Among Us's data. So for that, you could just go ahead and long press on it and then go to app info. Now from here you can just scroll down a bit until you find storage, and now all you have to do is click on clear data. Now click on delete, and all of your data will be cleared and the game will be completely brand new as if you've just installed it, and you can log into another account from there. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.